Hello, close quarters here, but welcome back to Big E's Motor Pool. Today what we are working on is replacing this housing up here on my 06 2500, and the reason we are doing that is because of that cracked plastic there. So originally I was thinking that I was just going to be able to put that switch back in place. However, that is not the truth. So thank you Amazon for nice replacement Mopar part. There we go. Don't need you anymore. Complete OEM assembly, because the plastic that is broken is like the equivalent of right in here, somewhere around here. Yep, right around here. So this video is going to be replacing this with this. And what do you know? This is actually gray, and that is not gray. So that makes me wonder if that's part of the mysterious previous history of this truck before I bought it almost 200,000 miles ago, and let's not mention how long ago, or if factory just screwed up. So anyways, probably back to the GoPro. Playing this one a little by ear because this one didn't come with instructions, and you are probably going to see the top of my head a lot. I apologize. Hopefully it is nice and clean, but some works in there. Wow, that came out real easy. And then here, there we go. There's just a little clip in there. Let's pull this piece out. Let's swap our bits back. This is a T20H. Even though I don't think I need the high security portion of it, I just need the T20 portion of it, which is pretty darn common for this truck. Oh, and I forgot my magnetic fingertip somewhere. So that comes out. Wow, that was a long screw. Alright. And this comes out. Assuming that I can actually do this correctly. Caught it. Made it. Saved. Alright. So looks like this piece is just coming straight down. Yep, okay. And there's the broken plastic. We've got a connector here. Here. Oh, there goes the part that broke. I think you can see that now. You can see like right in there. That's the part that broke. We got a clip underneath. Well, I guess we can just do that. And we can pull that clip. And now I need a Phillips, which is a good thing that I grabbed my handy dandy multi-bit screwdriver, because now I need, ooh, that doesn't sound good. 1, 2, I don't know why 2's not coming out. Whew. Man, that does not sound good on that plastic, does it? Oh, there's 3. And 4. How much plastic's gonna be broken in this? Keep in mind, this is a 2006 truck, so probably no real surprise that every one of those broke. Huh, interesting. And this is definitely aftermarket because there's a sale price sticker in there. Huh. Somebody probably bought it from Junkyard for a lot cheaper than I paid for the one off of Amazon. Anyways, looks pretty straightforward. That is definitely tan. Wow. That is tan. I know the lights are off in the truck now, but I don't know. Can you see the difference? Because I sure can. Okay, well, out with the old, in with the new. Oh, yep. Okay. Now let's see. You are probably a modular connector. So, there we go. Oh, lost one of them. All right. Yeah, both of those just freaking sheared right off. I'm gonna need a pair of pliers. So I'm gonna assume we're about in the right spot here. That I'm gonna do that. Okay, so fitting the, I don't know, smart part, I don't know, compass portion, whatever, back in the new part. Everything looks good. It's gonna line up okay. Of course, now I am paranoid as heck about dropping a screw. No, about breaking the plastic on this. So, even though I did just reset you, you're gonna go back down here. So, I'm just gonna do here and till it catches, and not over tighten it, which is what I'm hoping the last guys did, so that I don't screw that part of it up. And going kitty corner into the back, which fit in like a glove. And here is the other back, which of course I know you guys probably can't see, but hey, whatever. And think, okay. Again, not screwing too tightly. Where was that connector? Ooh, that connector's up here. Okay. And here. Okay. That looks good. Looks fairly well centered. So I'm going to pop these lens caps off like I did before without the pocket knife. We'll put the pocket knife back and we'll see if I can just use the flathead. Try to keep it a little nicer. We're going to push it in, and I'm going to wiggle. That looks like that just popped. And let's see if I can get these out without breaking anything. Yep, well, that definitely worked a lot better. And of course I am pulling these out. Oh, you work a lot better. Okay, tip if you guys are doing this, pry from the outside, because that took a lot less force than prying from the inside. So those are the new ones. So these two big ass screws that I talked about last time, they're already captively in here, so I am not going to worry about them. So we're going to adjust you back. Maybe a little further back. There we go. Okay, so I've got two connectors. I've got two spots here, and I've got spots here that I need that T20 for. And there's the T20. So, let's see. I think first thing we're going to do is aim for this guy to go back because he sits on top of this wiring harness. Man. Oh, you know what I need? I need a light. Hold on. Okay. Oop, no. Oh, that is going to be annoying. Let's turn that off. There we go. Yes, I bought one of those Amazon, or not Amazon, Instagram advertised headlamps, and this is the first time using them. I literally got them yesterday, and I'll be honest, they work pretty nice. Okay, there's one. That was easy. There's two. Power's back. 1, 2. Ooh, what's do. See, that doesn't look right. What did this one look like? Oh, interesting. Oh, those are already okay. Well, then we got to undo you. Interesting that the whole truck is hooked up to this, or all the interior lights are hooked up to this. Oh man, that is not done well. Okay, so what I realized, and why I'm having to undo this, is that the unless I can just pull these out. I wonder if I can just pull those out. No, I'm going to leave those in there because those feel like they're in the right spot. Okay, well, screw undoing it. Let's just do this. There we go. Man, that was stiff. Okay, so you know how I said the long screws were already captive? Well, they are, but that's because they're already in these metal brackets. Well, the metal brackets are in the plastic headliner of the truck. These. So these go in a plastic piece up here, but they're already there because they were there before. So I don't need them again because obviously they won't fit. So let's do this. Let's hope I just didn't malfunction something in the truck because the lights went off. I probably did. I probably pulled or twisted something, didn't I? Did I? I don't know if I did. Well, I did something. I wonder what I did. It's probably not a good thing. There we go. Nope, we're good. Okay. So, take the two cleaner versions of these, since they're probably the right ones. And I took that wire in, and let's screw that up. That didn't quite work. Okay. Oh. Alright, new viewpoint. Mainly because I figured my head was blocking you for the old one. There we go. I think that's in. I feel in. Oh yeah, she's in Lake Flynn. It's actually not too bad. There we go. Good old outside to inside lean action there. A little torque. There we go. And oops. Make sure we put them on the right side. Tab in the back. Tab on the, oops. Tab on the back. Tab on the inner side. Okay. Oop. Didn't drop it. I'm good. All right. Where are you? You were further up than I thought you were. All right. That feels good. And then do the same here. It looks like a little chalk dust or something. I don't know. I don't know where that would come from. Anyways, let's try this. Get that tab in there. Get on. Whoops. Don't do that to me. There we go. And there we go. And I don't feel like that feels right. No, I still got to clip in. Well, maybe not. Huh, it's tight. All right. If you insist, but I definitely don't feel like that's right. Do I want to pry it out and check it again? Oh, yeah, no, that's definitely not right. All right. There we go. There she is. That works. That works. And the doors are open, of course, so the lights are going to stay on. But, no. All right. There we go. That was today's quick project. And that's how to replace the upper center console plastic on a third generation Dodge Ram. 2500, 3500, probably different in the 1500s. And definitely get matching plastic too, because that other plastic was definitely not the light gray that the rest of the interior plastic is. Anyways, that's all. See you.